Do you ever think going Journey to the Center of the Earth? Journey to the Center of the Earth is the story about Axel and Professor Lidenbrook who make an adventure to the inside of the Earth accompanied with Hans. The synopsis of the story is about Journey to the Center of the Earth. The curiosity was the main factor they do this journey. After Axel described the document of Arne Sagnussem reports that the traveler who climbs up on the crater of the Snæfellsnes volcano can get into the center of the Earth. He apparently undertook this journey himself. Axel knows that his uncle will want to make a similar attempt and decide not to tell him of the find but eventually give in. Lidenbrook immediately starts planning the journey and tells his nephew to come along as well. After took too much challenge in their journey, at the end of the adventures, Lidenbrook becomes famous and renowned for his narrative and lectures on his journey. The character in this journey is so many characters, but there are only three main characters who has been highlighted in the novel. First is Axel. Axel is the one who not easy to give up. From the story, we should emulate the attitude of Axel who never easy give up. At the middle of the journey, when there already doesn't have any water supply, he still continue the journey. It shows that Axel, even he almost quit, but he still believes they will find water on the journey. Second is Uncle or Professor Lidenbrook. He's the one who are the responsible person. He know even they're lost after he give a wrong direction, he try the best to find direction for safety of his nephew and their God. We should emulate this attitude. When we do a wrong thing, we should try to fix the problem, not run from the problem. Last but not least is Hans. Hans was the dear person from the story. Hans left his companions to go in search of water. He finds a source that flows through the walls of a cliff and leads the others there. From this situation, we know that Hans was not afraid in any challenges. Action after read this story. After we reading this story, there are many lessons from the writer to the reader. From the story, we know that it's not easy to doing a work without sacrifice. For example, Prof. Lidenbrook do too much sacrifice to finish the journey with full patents. Other than that, we should not easy to give up from the challenge in our life. And we must be brave to solve the problem like what happened in the story. Why people should read this novel is Journey to the Center of the Earth has so many challenges part and it has been faced with many ideas and strategies with full patterns from the writer. This novel also has too much of suspense story that was make the reader be addicted to know what next in this story.